Hey guys, what's up? In this video, you'll learn how to quickly and easily hide all of your Facebook photos at once. I'll show you the step by step how to use the privacy settings in order to keep unwanted viewers out of your posts on Facebook. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to properly understand the tutorial. To get started, simply open up the Facebook mobile application. Tap on the three little lines at the top of the screen. After that, simply select the gear icon at the top of the screen to go to your settings and privacy. Once you're on the settings and privacy page, scroll down and you'll see a section called audience and visibility, and under that you will see an option called profile and tagging. So simply tap on that. After that you will see an option called who can see posts you are tagging on your profile. Just tap on that. So now what you want to do next, if you have this set to everyone, friends of friends or even just friends, except change it to only me. To do that, tap on more and you will see the option of only me. Now any of the posts on your timeline, including the photos you have posted and the photos that you are tagging, will be hidden from the public view and only you will be able to see them. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.